Hello and welcome to this Fronter tutorial on navigating in Fronter. I'm Mr. Hernan, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to find and go to rooms. We're going to look how to make rooms favorites so they're easier to find in the future, and we're going to show you how to find your grades in the Fronter portfolio. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in as a sample student. And when I do that, you'll see that we have all been logged into the school news room. That's the default room that everybody logs into, and there's always a tab for that room up here. The other room that everyone is in, and is always at the top, is the library, which will have resources and things like that for you posted. But if you want to find rooms that you're specifically members of and maybe others are not, you go up to the Rooms tab here, the drop down, and you click on it. And what it does is it opens up this drop down that shows you your favorite rooms, but there are no favorites yet for this sample student. We'll put some in. And over here we say display all rooms or rooms not visited. So after a while you might go and say, well, what rooms have I not been to yet that I'm a member of? But easier to start with right now, we'll just click and say display all rooms. And when we do that, there aren't many rooms that this sample student's a member of, but we see they are a member of the library, of the school news room, which are both up here on the top, so we don't have any trouble finding those. And then AP World History and French Accelerated 10. Now what we want to do to make these favorite rooms is click any room we want, just check the checkbox there, and go over here and say add to favorite rooms. When you do that, it shows you a little favorites here, so you know it's a favorite. You also have up here other options. You could look at rooms not visited this way. You could look at archived rooms, which we don't have any of yet, and rooms not visited. This student hasn't really been to any rooms yet. And then my rooms, including the favorites. Now when we go back up to rooms on the top, you'll see under favorites are the two rooms, AP World History, French 10 Accelerated. So it's much easier to get to these rooms now. You can just click on the rooms drop down and click right on the room you want to go to. If you want to go to one of these rooms, very simple. Either in the drop down up here or in the full list down here, all you have to do is click on the link to the room. I clicked on AP World History, and it takes me to the AP World History room where the teacher will have many things and resources for you. The last thing to show you how to find in Fronter for this tutorial is under Personal Tools. You'll see something called My Portfolio. In My Portfolio, if I click on that, this is where all your grades from and all your information from Fronter is. There's a lot of information that could be here. If you look, you've got a whole category on just activities, and these activities here have a lot of stuff. You have tests and courses, hand-ins, but I'm just showing you today how to get to and find the portfolio, which is all your grades from Fronter. Everything that is graded in Fronter, if it's to be used for your real grades, will be put in PowerSchool into the PowerSchool portal that you normally look through. So all final real grades are stored in PowerSchool. This is just for learning, communicating, and contributing to class. All right, that's it for now. I'm going to log out. Thanks very much for watching.